At first glance, this gas cooktop seems like an easy recommendation. It offers Italian burners, a powerful triple-ring center burner, and a premium stainless steel design for less than many high-end competitors. But one overlooked detail could completely change whether it's the right investment for your kitchen. The Empava 30-inch built-in gas cooktop is designed for homeowners who want premium cooking features without paying luxury brand prices. With Italian SABAF burners, an 18,000 BTU triple-ring center burner, cast iron grates, and a stainless steel surface, it promises performance that feels more expensive than its price suggests. Based on its features and customer feedback, I'd say it's a great choice for buyers looking for strong cooking performance and solid overall value, but it's not the best option for those who only trust long-established appliance brands with extensive service networks. Before we dive in, remember that this channel is here to help you make smarter buying decisions, not just rely on the spec sheet. If you appreciate honest, in-depth reviews like this, consider hitting the like button and subscribing. It really helps support the channel and allows us to keep creating independent reviews. You'll also find a link in the description to our Kitchen Deals Telegram group, along with the link to this cooktop if you want to check the latest price and availability. The biggest concern with this cooktop isn't its feature list, but the uncertainty surrounding its long-term reliability. At the time of this review, it has only a small number of customer reviews, which makes it difficult to know how consistently it will perform after several years of regular use. That's worth keeping in mind before making a purchase. There have also been isolated reports of quality control issues. One buyer received a unit with a burner that wouldn't ignite right after installation, while another experienced plastic control knobs that softened from heat during normal cooking. To the company's credit, replacement metal knobs were provided quickly, suggesting responsive customer service, but the original issue is still something potential buyers should know about. Another limitation is the layout. The powerful center burner works exceptionally well with a wok or large cookware, yet once it's in use, the surrounding burners become noticeably less practical because of the limited space. Finally, although installation itself isn't considered especially difficult, several owners mentioned that the instruction manual could be clearer, meaning some users may need professional installation or additional guidance to complete the setup confidently and correctly. Despite those concerns, this cooktop gets several important things right. The Italian SABAF burners are one of its strongest selling points, delivering consistent flame control and the kind of cooking performance normally associated with more expensive models. The 18,000 BTU triple-ring center burner stands out in particular, making it much easier to boil water quickly, sear meat, or cook with a wok. Owners also consistently praise the premium appearance. The stainless steel surface, heavy cast iron grates, and modern layout give it the look of a significantly more expensive appliance. Cleaning is another area where it performs well, especially if you wipe the surface after each use. The sealed burners help prevent spills from reaching internal components, making routine maintenance easier. For homeowners remodeling a kitchen or replacing an older cooktop, this model offers an appealing combination of modern design, practical cooking performance, and overall value, especially for buyers who prioritize features over brand prestige. If you're looking for a gas cooktop that delivers premium-looking design without stepping into luxury brand pricing, this Empava deserves serious consideration. It combines high-quality Italian SABAF burners, a powerful 18,000 BTU center burner, durable cast iron grates, and a stainless steel finish that gives your kitchen a more upscale appearance. It's especially well-suited for people who cook frequently, enjoy using larger cookware, or want stronger burner performance than many entry-level models provide. The included propane conversion kit also adds flexibility for different home setups. While it may not have the longest track record in the market, the overall package offers impressive value. For buyers who prioritize cooking performance and features over brand recognition alone, this cooktop makes a compelling case. So, would I recommend the Empava 30-inch built-in gas cooktop? I would, but with realistic expectations. If you want premium features, strong burner performance, and excellent overall value without paying luxury brand prices, this cooktop is a solid option. However, if proven long-term reliability and an extensive service network are your highest priorities, you may feel more comfortable choosing a more established brand. Every kitchen has different needs, so buy the one that best matches yours. If this review helped you make a more informed decision, please leave a like and subscribe to support more honest, independent reviews. You'll also find the link to this cooktop in the description, along with our Telegram group dedicated exclusively to kitchen deals.